Welcome to Math 123 for the spring semester. First 8 weeks, Friday mornings. So we have a very interesting time in that the week starts on Monday and we don't meet each other until Friday. So I definitely need y'all to be motivated and get to work before we actually meet. So first things first, I'm Becky, and I will be your instructor, ready to help you out through these 8 weeks of math goodness. So to kick off, what can we expect in our Ivy Learn shell here? So you'll notice this is the home page. A couple of things. One, the announcements is where I will be putting all kinds of random information. So something good just to like check that a couple times a week. If somebody sends me an email and it's a good question, something I think everybody can benefit from, I will be putting that out there in the announcements so that you can use someone else's information. We also have a little introduction to Alta. That's our homework system. So if you want to see how that works, that video there is in the announcements as well. I do recommend that you start by checking out the syllabus. It just has all the random information about the course. It also has my email address. So if you want to get a hold of me at any time, please, please, please send me an email. I do not give out my phone number, but I do check my email a lot. So feel free to just reach out that way. We do meet 8 times throughout the semester together, and that is Friday mornings at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time via Zoom. So the Zoom link is over here on the left. That is where you will find the button to join the live session. If you cannot be there for whatever reason, please send me an email as soon as possible so we can work that out. Okay? So read through the syllabus. It'll give you all kinds of information so you can hit the ground running. Now, in the modules, this is where all of the good stuff lies. In this class, there are 8 weeks and there are 8 modules. So easy enough, we will be doing 1 module per week. Now you'll notice module 1 has kind of a lot of stuff in it. Yeah. So easy way to remember, anything that has a number in front of it, those are homework assignments. So you'll notice here that there are 6 of those numbered assignments here in week 1. Now, I could put those all in one, and it would be this super long assignment that would maybe take you 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I don't know how long it's going to take you, but it's one big assignment. Personally, I don't like that. I like having small, manageable chunks that I can like tackle, conquer, and then cross it off my to-do list, and I feel like I've made some progress. Also, perhaps you do homework 1 on Monday. Maybe you do 2A on Tuesday, 2B and 3A on Wednesday. You can break it down into time, your timeline. When do I have time? What can I piece in where? It's a whole lot easier to manage when you have small chunks that you can move around. So just kind of keep that in mind. We've got a couple different pieces to work with. Now you'll notice this is section 1 video, section 2, section 3. Our content does follow along with the Math 123 workbook that hopefully you clicked the right buttons and it was sent to your home and all of those fun things. Those workbooks has a lot of empty spots, and these videos will go through and follow the workbook, and you can watch the videos, work in the workbook. Think of this kind of as the lecture portion of the course. So this is where you're going to learn the content. Watch the videos, do the workbook, learn, understand. Then you can go through and do the homework. Okay, so that's kind of like the progression and how it works a little bit easier. Okay, the other thing that I want to point out is you'll notice at the end of Module 1, we have in-class work week 1. When we meet together each week, we will have questions that we will do together as a group. We will talk through them. I will ask questions. You will answer them, all of that type of thing. And if you are in class, you're going to have all of the correct answers, so you're going to get full credit when you turn that assignment in. If you miss class for whatever reason, you are still expected to do it. You just won't have all of the correct answers necessarily. You're going to have to think a little harder than those that show up and kind of work together as a group. So we do have in-class work that we will do all together, again, starting on Friday morning at 9 a.m. So I look forward to seeing you on the 17th, 9 a.m. Eastern Time via the Zoom link. At any point in time, if you have questions before then, please reach out via email. I am here to answer any questions, help you out. But get in there as soon as possible, click around, read some things, dig in. And if you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on Friday morning at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Can't wait. Thanks.